G'day mechanics and people who work at Mercedes. This is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have an LDV Deliver 9. Stock reference number 5917. This shape ran from the 7th of 2020 to the present. It has a Euro V 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo diesel engine, backed by an auto rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our Euro V 4-cylinder 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Our left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre, left-hand mirror, left front door, 1 dent, good private, left rear door, sliding, 1 dent, left rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left rear tailgate. Right rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, 1 dent, slight fold at the front, good private. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Gear stick, auto shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.